You were taught a simple, powerful story, a promise whispered from one generation to the next. If you just work hard enough, stay consistent, and push through the exhaustion, you will eventually get ahead. It's the gospel of hustle culture, the belief that outworking everyone else is the ultimate virtue. You were told to be the first one in the office and the last one to leave, to sacrifice weekends, to grind while others sleep, believing that your sheer effort would carve a direct path to success, security, and wealth. It was a noble idea, and for a long time it was true. That advice used to work. In an economy where human labor was the primary engine of value, the equation was simple. More hours equaled more output. Your career was a ladder, and you climbed it rung by rung with sweat and persistence. But that ladder has been kicked out from under us. The rules of the game have been rewritten by a force that doesn't get tired, doesn't need a paycheck, and can execute a million tasks in the time it takes you to have your morning coffee. In the new AI economy, your hard work, your grit, your willingness to burn the midnight oil, it's no longer an asset. It's a liability. It will keep you stuck, running faster and faster on a treadmill that's accelerating while the finish line moves further away. You're playing a game of addition in an era defined by multiplication. Because today, significant wealth isn't created by effort, it's created by leverage. And the very definition of leverage has fundamentally changed. It's no longer just about having capital or managing a large team. The most powerful leverage in the world is now accessible to anyone. It's code that works for you 24/7. It's media that builds your audience while you sleep. It's AI systems that can replicate the output of 100 employees with a single command. If you don't understand what this new form of leverage looks like, you are destined to become a cog in someone else's machine. You will work harder than ever before, for a smaller and smaller piece of the pie, while you watch others quietly build empires from their laptops. They aren't smarter than you. They aren't working harder than you. They are simply using better tools. They understand the new rules. In this video, I'm going to pull back the curtain and explain what actually creates wealth in the AI economy, and show you exactly what you should be focusing on instead of just working harder. You were taught a simple, powerful story, a promise whispered by our parents, our teachers, and every motivational poster we've ever seen. It goes like this: if you work hard enough, stay consistent, and push through the exhaustion, you will eventually get ahead. Put in the hours, climb the ladder, and your moment will come. For generations, that wasn't just advice. It was the fundamental blueprint for success. It was a reliable contract with the world. Your sweat equity was the most valuable asset you had, and the more you spent, the richer you'd become. That advice used to work. But a quiet tectonic shift has happened right under our feet. We've entered a new economic era, one that doesn't play by the old rules. In the AI economy, hard work alone is no longer a competitive advantage, it's a trap. It will keep you stuck, running faster and faster on a treadmill that's accelerating, while others are flying overhead. You can't out-hustle a system that never sleeps, never gets tired, and can execute a million tasks in the time it takes you to drink your morning coffee. The game has fundamentally changed. Today, wealth isn't created by the sheer force of your effort. It's created by the magnitude of your leverage. It's not about how hard you work, but how much you can multiply your output. And if you don't understand what leverage looks like now, you'll work harder for less, while others scale quietly. Let me explain what actually creates wealth in the AI economy, and what you should focus on instead. For decades, success followed a simple formula: work harder, climb higher, earn more. But AI has broken that equation. Two people can now work the same hours, yet one earns exponentially more, because AI multiplies output, not effort. This isn't about being lazy. It's about understanding what kind of work still pays. For generations, we've been told a simple, powerful story: work hard, and you will build wealth. Put in the hours, climb the ladder, and success will be your reward. But what if that fundamental promise is broken? What if the very definition of hard work has become obsolete? In the new AI economy, the old rules no longer apply. Grinding away for 12 hours a day doesn't guarantee you a spot at the top. In fact, It might just be the fastest way to burn out and fall behind. The truth is, relying solely on your personal effort is now the riskiest career strategy you can have. Hard work, as we've always known it, fails in the AI economy for three critical reasons. Understanding them is the first step to escaping the trap. First, your effort doesn't scale. Think about it. You are one person. You have at most 168 hours in a week. Subtract sleep, eating, and basic life maintenance, and your capacity for productive work is finite. You can't simply decide to work 500 hours next week. You have a hard biological limit. An AI, on the other hand, has no such constraints. It operates 24/7, 365 days a year, without needing a single coffee break or vacation day. While you're manually analyzing one spreadsheet, an AI can process 10,000. While you're writing one report, it can generate 1,000 personalized versions. You are a single craftsman, limited by your hands and your time. AI is an entire factory, capable of near infinite output. In a battle of pure brute force effort, you will always lose to the machine. Second, your labor is replaceable, and it's being replaced faster than anyone predicted. When we hear automation, we often picture factory robots. But the new wave of AI is coming for cognitive labor. The tasks that were once considered safe, white-collar work. Data analysis, market research, customer support, copywriting, graphic design, even paralegal work. Any job that involves executing a repeatable process, even a complex one, is vulnerable. The AI doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be good enough, cheaper, and faster. And it's getting better every single day. Relying on your ability to simply tasks is like building your house on a foundation that is actively dissolving beneath you. And third, your time-based income is capped. This is the final piece of the trap. If you get paid by the hour, by the project, or by the month, your income is directly tied to your time. The moment you stop working, whether you're sick, on vacation, or just sleeping, your income stops too. This is the time for money exchange, and it has a hard ceiling. You can only sell your time once. This model offers zero leverage. It creates a constant state of pressure where you have to keep running on the hamster wheel just to maintain your position. You're not building an asset, you're just renting out your time, and the rental price for human execution is dropping fast. When you combine these three factors, unscalable effort, replaceable labor, and capped income, you get a dangerous formula. Hard work without leverage doesn't lead to wealth. It keeps you trapped in a perpetual state of survival mode, working harder and harder just to stay afloat. Wealth today comes from control, systems, and positioning. People who win build systems once and let them run. Use AI to execute instead of doing everything manually. Focus on decisions, not tasks. AI turns knowledge into multiplication. The question is, what are you multiplying? The shift you must make. Instead of asking, how do I work harder? Ask, how do I remove myself from execution? How can AI scale my skills? How can one decision pay me repeatedly? This shift from worker to operator is everything. You don't need to stop working hard. You need to redirect effort. Your next step, identify what you already know. Use AI to automate delivery. Build something that earns without constant presence. Hard work builds foundations, leverage builds wealth. The AI economy doesn't reward exhaustion. It rewards structure. If you want to learn how to build income that scales with AI instead of fighting against it, subscribe to this channel. Because working harder isn't the answer anymore. Working smarter is.